Taking a look at Jen Ryan. She's on our games team and was last year as well. She's going up the stairs 2 hands per step. And what I want you to notice about this is that when she's stepping up here, she goes, first hand is her left hand. And what she does, she puts this left leg way out to the side to make sure that she can get balance over that hand. And that way we don't get that really quick second step. It gives her time in order to get her weight back over the middle and then be able to shift her weight to the right side to get that left hand up. Now you got to be a little more aggressive with how far out you put that left leg as you're stepping up onto your left hand, and it would be obviously the opposite for the right hand. Your other option on going up the stairs would be 1 hand per step, and you pretty much just have to shift your weight from side to side. On the 2 hands per step, you want to make sure you're going nice and slow, controlling that balance. You don't want to lean too fast. If you go too fast, it's going to make you want to tip over. On the 1 hand per step, you got to make sure that you lean more aggressively. If you go too slow, you will only get halfway up that step. Normally on handstand walks, you would want your hands turned out, but going down the ramp, you want to make sure that your hands are staying nice and straight as seen here, because your fingers can act as brakes and control the rate in which you come down that ramp. Going too fast when you get to the bottom can cause you to twist and fall immediately. Watching Tammy Wild Goose right here, she goes up and notice that her hands are nice and turned out. That is going to give her a little bit more lean to get up the ramp. It doesn't look like she's leaning very far, but I was taking video and I tend to lean with the athlete to try to help them get up to the top. The approach that I like to take going up the ramp is by turning my hands around slightly backward as seen here. You can see my little fingers pointing out the back, and I've got the middle 2 pointing out the back behind my wrist. That's if I start falling downhill, I can actually press with those 3 fingers and continue my trip up the ramp. Going down the ramp, you can do 2 hands per step, and as Tammy goes down here, you notice that her fingers are in front of her wrist. And also right there, she's using her wrist just in case she starts tipping over backwards. She can press that part of her forearm up against the step to continue moving downward. And you go 1 step, catch and balance, 1 step, catch and balance, and then get down to the floor. The other approach to get down is going 1 hand on each step. Again, we're trying to keep our fingers forward in front of our wrists to control the speed that we descend down the stairs and make sure that we don't go just too fast.